Leroy from the North. We are big fans of 88.5. And this song is a song they've given a lot of love to, and I'm so grateful for it. I remember when I was making my latest album, Space, I would listen to 88.5 and I would say, oh man, I wish my song would be on this radio station. Look where I am, Mom. Anyway, this song has a lyric in it, and in the spirit of International Women's Month, Women's History Month, the lyric is, nobody can own me. So when you hear it, give me some snaps or some claps or some woohoo, because I just get fired up. Everything you told me isn't what you do, and I've been working hard, making sense of me and you. Gather up your wishes, drop them in the blue. The things you never said, it isn't hard to do. Gather up your wishes true, and drop them in the blue. I'd like to know myself, honors getting thin. I'd like to know myself, let the sun come in. I'd like to know the truth. Valley hurt my car. I'd like to know myself, anything at all. It didn't go my way. I tried to play a part, tried to be the real thing, like your work of art. Now I do what I want. I handle every wheel. Nobody can own me. I sever every deal. I do what I want and feel. Great job, guys. I severed every deal. I'd like to know myself, stay out of my way. I'd like to find the key to get to better days. I'd like to know myself, Valley hurt my car. I'd like to know myself, like a lie. It isn't very hard to do. I'll be fine, staring at the sky. I live in the oasis, eternal summertime. Nobody can see me, getting out of line, looking for my words, looking for an out. Nobody can own me, nobody can own me. I'd like to know myself, Valley hurt my car. I'd like to know myself, found the key to it all. I'd like to know the truth, armor's getting thin. I'd like to know myself, let the sun come in. I'd like to know myself, I'd like to know myself. Thank you so much. You guys got the memo and passed. Thank you. So for this next song, I am quite aware that that's a pop song, but my true passion, my true love is 60s and 70s folk music. Maybe you can tell from my dress. And specifically female folk artists. The more obscure, the better. We chit chat after the show. This is the topic I'd love to discuss. And the cover we're going to play tonight is my ultimate women folk music crush, and her name is Sandy Denny. And if you don't know Sandy Denny, I think this room does because you're all music nerds like me. And Sandy Denny was in a band called the Fairport Convention, and when she left the Fairport Convention, she did some solo records. And so we are going to play a song from her solo record, which is titled Solo. And this is the title track. And I love this song. It's spoken to me at many points in my life. Unlike the wonderful B.B. Stockwell who just played, I am not in love at the moment. And so maybe this song will sort of give you some hints into my life. I think anyone who's gone through a breakup might relate. This is called Solo. Good morning, good afternoon, what have you got to say? Well, I'm waiting, but I can't stay long, it's such a lovely day. There's a time to be talking, and a time when it's no use. Right now I think the things you say are liable to confuse. I've just gone solo. Do you play solo? Ain't life a solo? What a wonderful way to live, just traveling all over the world. All the fame and all the golden opportunities unfurled. No time for the jet with the money and the Bentley, heaven knows what else. Why he wouldn't even stand a chance with all those oil wells. He just went solo. Do you play solo? Ain't life a solo? Leroy. I've always lived in mansions on the other side of the room, and I've always kept a unicorn, and I never sing a tune. I can tell you that the grass is really greener on the other side of the hill.